Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the day 12 of our 60-day trading challenge. And today was an interesting day. So where a lot of action happened with a huge gap down, and then of course we ended the day with the trailing stop loss getting hit with a minor loss. That's so again a focus is not on the profit and loss. When we make the profit, also we will say the same thing, and then when we are making a loss also my stand is the same thing. So let's get into the trades. How did we fare and what happened during the day? So let me get into the action of the trade. So this is the one important factor here is the VIX. India VIX, you see here 65% increase in the India VIX. So India VIX, as you know, will uh, reflect the volatility basically, and then high VIX environment is not at least to begin with may not be a good place for us to sell the to do a selling of the option. But however, we stuck to our rules. But of course, it's a learning. Probably we should avoid when there is a gap up or gap down of more than 2.5% in a day. Taking not taking the trade may makes better sense. But again, we did not do that. Where we continue, we did take the trade in the because 945 candle showed us the confirmation that we could take the enter into the trade. So 945 post completion of the 945 trade, the thing we took the 23,000 call we sold at 70 rupees, and it almost remained in the trade till end of the day. Like it is at 3 o'clock, 3 5. It hit the stop loss. So like if you see the chart over here, the index chart. Look, this is the place where we sold, but after that, it never, it was most part of the day it was in favor of our direction. But in the last 1 hour or last 45 minutes or so, the market moved in the adverse direction. But again, as you know, at 1:30 p.m., we look at the day low post we took the trade. And this was the low of the day, as you see on the top, like the 56.30 is the day low. Post we took the entry. And then we had accordingly we had put the stop loss here, so it got exited over here, and that is nothing but the 84.40. I think it got exited. So if you look at the Nifty chart, this is the huge gap down, and then throughout the day it was consolidating. If the VIX was normal, in the sense if it was not high, there could have been a considerable decay in the premium. So since the wick was continuously going up during the day, if you look at it, it was still going up. So that is why the premiums did not decay. But anyway, it is not a justification I'm making, but it is just for the learning sake I'm mentioning it about it. And again, I'm not concerned about the profit or a loss, but it is the learning here is we should avoid taking the trades when there is a huge gap up or a gap down happens, because as a consequence to that, normally VIX will shoot up, which means it is better to avoid such days. So is going here with the trading law. So after continuous profits, we made our TSL got hit here. So our entry price is 70 rupees, and then we exited at 84.40, which we paid around 57.10 as the trading cost. So we incurred a loss of 1,137 rupees. So we still profit overall we stand profitable at 5.34%. But the whole idea is how the rule-based trading helps us to navigate in such kind of a very adverse situations or extreme market conditions. Also, we could sail through with a nominal loss, I would say. So that's all for now for the day. So we will catch up again tomorrow for the 13th day. And we will see. The only point is tomorrow, if there is a again like today, if there is a gap up or a gap down over 2.5%, then we may not take the trade. We will avoid taking the trade in such case. So thanks for now, and stay tuned for further updates as we progress through these 60 days. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.